In the meantime, Tunku Nashrul said the Prime Minister will use a chartered Malaysia Airlines aircraft for his three-country African visit starting tomorrow to save time and costs. The decision was made as the official delegation and business entourage joining the mission have a tight schedule with no transit time. During a media briefing at the Prime Minister's office, Tunku Nashrul said using a chartered aircraft also allows for greater capacity to accommodate additional delegates on the visits to all three countries.
Kos menyewa pesawat khas, sewaan khas ini lebih ekonomik berbanding operasi penuh pesawat kerajaan. Penyelarasannya pula, delegasi kerajaan dan perniagaan berlepas dan tiba pada waktu yang sama. Ini memudahkan kita untuk membuat perancangan di ketiga-tiga lokasi ini, menjamin kehadiran yang tepat dan untuk semua dalam semua mesyuarat dan juga libat urus yang akan diadakan di sana.
He also said the use of chartered aircraft is not a new practice, having also been employed during the Prime Minister's visits to Rome and Brazil in July last year. He further noted that the government will bear the cost of flights and accommodation for the official delegation, while business delegates are required to cover their own expenses.